What's the deal with the salt pig?
Okay, so for years, went to a houseware show and I saw this lovely salt pig and I thought, well, that's kind of silly. But then I started going, why is it called a pig? Well, I looked it up because I love to look up word originations, and pig is the Latin word for container. So it just really means a salt container.
Gotcha.
But this particularly one, there's a lot of cheap knockoffs that are just cute.
Gotcha.
This one is actually functional. This is by Emile Henry. It's been around, same family in France since the 1850s. Notice the curve design. You know, years ago, salt was a very, very valuable commodity.
Sure.
And it was very protected. So the salt pig, the curved design, is to keep trash, debris, bugs and things, dust from falling into their salt pig, their container. So that's why the curved design, you know, because homes didn't used to have doors, windows, screens, and all of that, and they were drafty. Then, if you notice, see how it's unglazed on the inside?
Sure.
The cheap knockoffs aren't like that. It's unglazed on the inside that helps absorb the moisture away from the salt so that it doesn't clump up. My salt in this salt pig is left completely open, sitting on my counter all the time, and I tell you, it never clumps up.
Yeah.
So it's really a valuable salt container. And then, of course, the opening is big enough so you can reach your hands in, grab some salt to salt your food or your measuring spoons or whatever. And it's just so pretty sitting on your counter. And we have a couple of colors. We have the red and the charcoal. So for years, I drooled over it because it's a little pricey.
Yep.
But now, once you have it, it's
just nice to have it just pinch away readily
right
available.
by your stove and just get in there. And like I said, it's designed to keep your unrefined salt from clumping up.